Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of nerve regeneration and repair, uncovering 7 incredible vitamins that play pivotal roles in restoring and maintaining optimal nerve health. Welcome to our exploration of the magnificent world of nerve recovery. Nestled within the intricate network of your nervous system lies the potential for renewal and rejuvenation. From the bustling highways of your spinal cord to the delicate pathways of your peripheral nerves, your body's intricate communication network relies on these vital conduits. Yet, in the face of injury, disease, or degeneration, these pathways may falter, their once vibrant signals dimmed by the shadows of damage. But fear not, for nature has bestowed upon us a treasure trove of nutrients, 7 remarkable vitamins that hold the key to unlocking the gates of regeneration. Let's begin. First and foremost, among the arsenal of vitamins crucial for nerve repair, vitamin B12 stands as a formidable ally. Also known as cobalamin, vitamin B12 plays a pivotal role in the maintenance and repair of nerve cells throughout the body. Nerve damage can result from various factors such as deficiencies, injuries, diseases, or conditions like neuropathy. While vitamin B12 deficiency isn't the sole cause of nerve damage, it can exacerbate existing conditions and hinder nerve repair processes. Here are some details on how vitamin B12 contributes to nerve repair and overall nerve health. Vitamin B12 is involved in the formation of myelin, a fatty substance that surrounds and insulates nerve fibers. Myelin acts as a protective sheath, enhancing the speed and efficiency of nerve impulse transmission. Damage to myelin can impair nerve function and lead to symptoms such as tingling, numbness, and weakness. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in nerve regeneration and repair processes. It is involved in the synthesis of DNA, which is essential for the growth and repair of nerve cells. Adequate levels of vitamin B12 support the body's ability to repair damaged nerves and maintain optimal nerve function. Vitamin B12 is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which play key roles in regulating mood, cognition, and nerve signaling. Balanced neurotransmitter levels are essential for overall nerve health and function. It exhibits antioxidant properties, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage nerve cells and tissues. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin B12 supports nerve health and may help prevent further damage. In cases where nerve damage has occurred due to conditions like peripheral neuropathy, vitamin B12 supplementation may help alleviate symptoms such as pain, tingling, and numbness. While it may not reverse severe nerve damage, ensuring adequate vitamin B12 levels can support overall nerve health and function. It's important to note that while vitamin B12 plays a vital role in nerve repair and maintenance, addressing the underlying cause of nerve damage is essential for effective treatment. In cases of vitamin B12 deficiency, supplementation or dietary changes may be necessary to restore optimal levels and support nerve repair processes. However, individuals experiencing symptoms of nerve damage should consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment recommendations tailored to their specific needs. What's more, vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is another essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in nerve health and function. While it is not directly responsible for repairing nerve damage, vitamin B6 is involved in various metabolic processes that support nerve function and may indirectly contribute to nerve repair. Vitamin B6 is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid GABA. These neurotransmitters play key roles in regulating mood, cognition, and nerve signaling. Balanced neurotransmitter levels are essential for optimal nerve function and may support the body's natural repair processes. Vitamin B6 is required for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood to tissues throughout the body, including nerve cells. Adequate oxygen supply is crucial for nerve cell metabolism and function. Vitamin B6 also facilitates the conversion of amino acids into neurotransmitters and other molecules essential for nerve signaling. It's involved in glycogen metabolism, which is the primary storage form of glucose in the body. Glucose is the primary energy source for nerve cells, and proper glycogen metabolism ensures a steady supply of glucose to support nerve function and repair processes. Vitamin B6 is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. Immune system dysfunction or inflammation can contribute to nerve damage and impair the body's ability to repair damaged nerves. By supporting immune function, vitamin B6 may indirectly promote nerve repair and regeneration. Vitamin B6, along with vitamin B12 and folate, helps regulate levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that, when elevated, is associated with an increased risk of nerve damage and other health problems. By supporting homocysteine metabolism, vitamin B6 may help protect against nerve damage and promote nerve repair. While vitamin B6 is essential for nerve health, it's important to consume it as part of a balanced diet rather than relying solely on supplements. Good dietary sources of vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, nuts, seeds, beans, bananas, and fortified cereals. However, excessive intake of vitamin B6 from supplements can lead to nerve toxicity and other adverse effects. So it's important to follow recommended dietary guidelines and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation regimen. Moreover, vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is a crucial nutrient that plays a significant role in nerve health and function. Thiamine is particularly important for the proper functioning of the nervous system, and its deficiency can lead to nerve damage and various neurological symptoms. Here's how vitamin B1 contributes to nerve repair and overall nerve health. Thiamine is essential for converting carbohydrates into energy through its role as a cofactor in key metabolic pathways, including the Krebs cycle and the pentose phosphate pathway. Nerve cells, like other cells in the body, require a constant supply of energy to function properly. Adequate thiamine levels support the energy needs of nerve cells, promoting their repair and maintenance. Thiamine is involved in the synthesis of lipids, including the lipids required for the formation of myelin sheaths that insulate nerve fibers. Myelin sheaths help to speed up the transmission of nerve impulses and protect nerve fibers from damage. Ensuring sufficient thiamine levels supports the maintenance and repair of myelin, which is crucial for optimal nerve function. Thiamine also exhibits antioxidant properties, helping to protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress can contribute to nerve damage and impair the body's ability to repair damaged nerves. Thiamine's antioxidant activity helps to mitigate this damage and support nerve repair processes. Thiamine is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as acetylcholine, which plays a role in nerve signal transmission. Balanced neurotransmitter levels are essential for proper nerve function and may support the body's natural repair mechanisms. Thiamine is necessary for the proper functioning of ion channels in nerve cells, which are responsible for generating and transmitting nerve impulses. Adequate thiamine levels help maintain the integrity of ion channels, ensuring efficient nerve signal transmission and promoting nerve repair. Thiamine deficiency can lead to a condition known as beriberi, which is characterized by neurological symptoms such as numbness, tingling, muscle weakness, and difficulty walking. Severe thiamine deficiency can result in irreversible nerve damage if left untreated. Good dietary sources of thiamine include whole grains, nuts, seeds, legumes, pork, beef, and fortified cereals. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Now let's step into the radiant world of vitamin B2, a nutrient that serves as a beacon of light in the journey of nerve repair and regeneration. Known as riboflavin, vitamin B2 plays a crucial role in sustaining the health and vitality of the nervous system. Riboflavin is a key component of two coenzymes, flavin mononucleotide, FMN, and flavin adenine dinucleotide, FAD, which are involved in numerous metabolic reactions, including the conversion of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into energy. Adequate energy production is essential for maintaining optimal nerve function and supporting the repair processes of damaged nerves. Riboflavin also acts as an antioxidant, working in conjunction with other antioxidants such as glutathione to neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage nerve cells and impair their function, contributing to nerve damage and hindering repair processes. Riboflavin's antioxidant properties help protect nerve cells from oxidative damage and support nerve repair. It's involved in the maintenance and repair of nerve cells and their components. It supports the production of new cells and helps maintain the structural integrity of nerves. Adequate riboflavin levels are necessary for the regeneration of damaged nerve tissue and the maintenance of healthy nerves. Riboflavin is indirectly involved in nerve signaling processes by supporting the production and function of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. Balanced neurotransmitter levels are crucial for proper nerve function and may facilitate nerve repair and regeneration. It also plays a role in maintaining healthy blood flow, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to nerve cells and removing metabolic waste products. Proper blood circulation supports nerve repair processes by providing the necessary resources for cell growth and regeneration. But wait, there is more. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. While it is not specifically known for repairing nerve damage, vitamin E's antioxidant properties can contribute to overall nerve health and potentially support the body's natural repair processes. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells, including nerve cells. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin E protects nerve cells from damage and may support the body's ability to repair and regenerate nerves. It is also involved in maintaining the integrity of cell membranes, including those of nerve cells. Healthy cell membranes are essential for proper nerve function and signal transmission. Vitamin E helps protect nerve cell membranes from oxidative damage, preserving their structural integrity and function. It has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the nervous system. Chronic inflammation can contribute to nerve damage and impair the body's ability to repair damaged nerves. By reducing inflammation, vitamin E may support nerve repair processes and alleviate symptoms associated with nerve damage. Vitamin E is involved in regulating blood flow by promoting the dilation of blood vessels and improving circulation. Proper blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to nerve cells and removing metabolic waste products. By enhancing blood flow, vitamin E supports nerve health and may facilitate nerve repair and regeneration. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that vitamin E supplementation may promote nerve regeneration and improve nerve function in certain conditions, such as peripheral neuropathy. However, the evidence is limited, and further research is required to understand the potential benefits of vitamin E for nerve repair more fully. Good dietary sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils such as wheat germ, sunflower, and safflower oil, green leafy vegetables, and fortified cereals. While vitamin E supplementation may be beneficial for some individuals, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation regimen, especially at high doses, as excessive vitamin E intake may have adverse effects and interact with certain medications. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E, along with other essential nutrients, is essential for maintaining overall nerve health and supporting the body's natural repair processes. What's more, vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, including nerve health. While it may not directly repair nerve damage, vitamin D is involved in various physiological processes that can support nerve function and potentially aid in nerve repair. It plays a critical role in calcium absorption and homeostasis. Calcium is essential for nerve function, as it is involved in nerve signal transmission, muscle contraction, and the release of neurotransmitters. Adequate levels of vitamin D ensure proper calcium levels, which are necessary for maintaining optimal nerve function. It also has neuroprotective effects, which may help protect nerve cells from damage and degeneration. It may also modulate inflammatory processes in the nervous system, reducing the risk of nerve damage caused by inflammation. Vitamin D receptors are present in nerve cells, suggesting a role in nerve growth and differentiation. Adequate vitamin D levels may support the development and maintenance of healthy nerves. It may also play a role in immune regulation, and its deficiency has been linked to autoimmune disorders and chronic inflammation, which can contribute to nerve damage. By modulating immune responses, vitamin D may help reduce inflammation and support nerve health. Vitamin D receptors are also present in areas of the brain involved in mood regulation. Low levels of vitamin D have been associated with an increased risk of mood disorders such as depression, which can affect nerve function and overall well-being. Lastly, vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a vital nutrient that plays numerous roles in the body, including supporting nerve health and potentially aiding in nerve repair processes. While it may not directly repair nerve damage, vitamin C contributes to overall nerve health and function through several mechanisms. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative damage to cells, including nerve cells. By scavenging free radicals, vitamin C helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a structural protein that provides support and strength to tissues, including nerve tissue. Collagen is an essential component of the connective tissue that surrounds and protects nerves. Adequate levels of vitamin C support the maintenance of healthy nerve structure and integrity. It's also involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as dopamine and norepinephrine, which play critical roles in nerve signaling and mood regulation. Balanced neurotransmitter levels are essential for proper nerve function and may support the body's natural repair mechanisms. Vitamin C supports immune function and helps the body defend against infections and inflammatory processes. Chronic inflammation can contribute to nerve damage and impair the body's ability to repair damaged nerves. By supporting immune function, vitamin C may help reduce inflammation and promote nerve repair. Additionally, it enhances the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based sources. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood to tissues throughout the body, including nerve cells. Adequate oxygen supply is crucial for nerve cell metabolism and function. While vitamin C is readily available in many fruits and vegetables, including citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, and broccoli, supplementation may be necessary in cases of deficiency or certain medical conditions. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation regimen, as excessive vitamin C intake can lead to adverse effects in some individuals. In conclusion, maintaining adequate levels of vitamin C through a balanced diet and lifestyle may help support nerve health and potentially aid in nerve repair processes. However, addressing the underlying cause of nerve damage and following appropriate medical treatment are essential for optimal outcomes. Wrapping up our discussion on the 7 essential vitamins to repair nerve damage, it's clear that our body's intricate network of nerves requires optimal nutrition to thrive. By recognizing the vital roles that vitamins play in supporting nerve health and repair, we gain insight into how to nurture our bodies effectively. As we embark on our journey towards wellness, let's remember the significance of incorporating these vitamins into our daily lives. From vitamin B12 to vitamin E, each nutrient offers unique benefits that contribute to the resilience of our nervous system. By embracing a balanced diet rich in vitamin-rich foods and considering supplementation where necessary, we empower ourselves to take proactive steps towards enhancing our nerve health and overall well-being. So, let's embark on this journey together, armed with knowledge and determination to prioritize our health. Here's to a future filled with vitality, resilience, and abundant nerve health. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.